Hello, welcome to Land Race Farm LGD Rescue. Livestock Guardian Dog. And I'm here with Dole. Do a quick little video. He's been on duty. So, no rope, no nothing. He's ready. He's good to go. He's so sweet. Great with all the other dogs. Great with the animals. Just a fantastic dog. And his eyes are looking fantastic, aren't they? And Doe is a Central Asian Shepherd. Up to date in vaccinations. He's fixed. And just a gorgeous dude. Happy as can be. Just not along the vet. He's just not good with vets. Outside of that, he's outstanding.